General and special senses sensory information arriving at the central nervous system is transmitted up spinal cord into the brain. This carries information on one the location where sensory information was detected and two the nature of stimulus that was detected. Each pathway carry information for specific sensation such as touch, pressure or vision from receptor in a specific part of body. All other characteristics of this stimulus are determined by pattern of action potential in afferent fiber. This sensory coding providing information about strength, duration, variation and movement of stimulus. The area monitored by a single receptor is called receptive field. The larger receptor field order it is localized stimulus. For example, a touch receptor on your back may have receptive field of 7 cm in diameter, while receptor on your tongue may have receptor field of less than millimeter in diameter. As a result, we can describe a light touch on the back only generally, but we can very precise about location of stimulus placed on tongue. There are two categories of receptor, tonic receptor and phasic receptor. Tonic receptor are sensory neurons that are always active. Phasic receptor are normally inactive, but they become active for a short time whenever is a change in condition that they are monitoring. Phasic receptor providing information on intensity and rate of change of stimulus. Adaptation is a reduction in sensitivity in presence of constant stimulus. There are both peripheral adaptation and central adaptation. Peripheral or sensory adaptation is when receptor or sensory neuron alert its level of activity. The receptor responds strongly at first, but when active long afferent fiber gradually decline because of synaptic fatigue. Phasic receptor are fast to adopt, where tonic receptor are slow to adopt. Central adaptation occur at the subconscious level. Central adaptation restricts amount of information arriving at cerebral cortex. The sensory information arriving at central nervous system is called sensation or perception is conscious awareness of sensation. General senses refer to a sensation of temperature, pain, touch, pressure, vibration, and proprioception or body position. General sensory receptors are distributed throughout the body. The special senses are smell, taste, equilibrium, hearing, and vision. The specialized receptor providing this sensation are structurally more complex than those of general senses. These receptors are localized within the complex sensory organs such as eye or ear. Generally, sensory receptors are divided into three classes: exteroreceptor, proprioceptor, and interoreceptor. Exteroreceptor providing information about external environment, proprioceptor monitor body position, and interoreceptor monitor the condition inside the body. A more detailed classification system using nature of stimulus detected divided general sensory receptor into four classes: nociceptor, thermoreceptor, monoreceptor, and chemoreceptor. Nociceptor respond to a variety of stimulus associated with tissue damage. Activation of these receptors cause sensation of pain. Thermoreceptor respond to change in temperature. Mechanoreceptor are stimulated or inhibited by physical distortion, contact, or pressure on plasma membrane. Chemoreceptor monitor the chemical composition of body fluid and respond to the presence of specific molecule. Thermoreceptor detect change in temperature. There are two classes of thermoreceptor: cold thermoreceptor and warm thermoreceptor. These are found in dermis of skin, skeletal muscle, liver, and hypothalamus. Thermoreceptor are phasic receptor. They are very active when the temperature is changing. However, they quickly adapt when temperature becomes stabilized. For example, when you enter an air-conditioned classroom on a hot summer day, the temperature change seems extreme at first, but you quickly become comfortable as adaptation occurs. Monoreceptor Mechanoreceptors are sensitive to stimuli that stretch, compress, twist, or distortion their cell membrane. There are three classes of mechanoreceptor: tactile receptor, baroreceptor, and proprioceptor. Tactile receptor detect sensation of touch, pressure, and vibration. Baroreceptor detect pressure change in wall of body, blood vessels, and in the portion of digestive, reproductive, and urinary tract. Proprioceptor detect position of joints, skeletal muscles, and are the most complex of general sensory receptor. Final touch is sensed by three nerve ending, tactile disc, and the root hair plexus. Free nerve ending and tactile disc respond to light contact with skin, where the root hair plexus respond to initial contact with the hair shaft. Pressure and vibration are sensed by tactile corpuscles and lamellar corpuscles. Tactile corpuscles respond to initial contact and low frequency vibration. Lamellar corpuscles respond to initial deep contact and high frequency vibration. Deep pressure is sensed by bulbous corpuscles. Bulbous corpuscles respond to stretch and distortion of dermis. Proprioceptor monitor the position of joint, the tension in tendon and ligaments, and extension of muscular contraction. Muscle spindle are proprioceptor that monitor the length of skeletal muscles. Golgi tendon organ monitor the tension in tendon during muscle contraction. Chemoreceptors are specialized neurons that detect change in concentration of specific chemical compound. For example, chemoreceptor in and near the receptory respiratory center of medulla oblongata are sensitive to change in pH and carbon dioxide level. Chemoreceptor are carotid bodies and erotic bodies are sensitive to change in pH, concentration of carbon dioxide, and concentration of oxygen in blood. The olfactory organ give give us a special sense of olfaction or smell. Olfactory reception